What is the English name for Amborella?
Spondias cytherea, known commonly as Amberella, in Sri Lanka or June plum, is an equatorial or tropical tree, with edible fruit containing a fibrous pit. In the English-speaking Caribbean it is typically known as golden apple and elsewhere in the Caribbean as pommecythere or cythere.
Amborella fruit health benefits. Augments heart function.
Amberella is blessed with the goodness of cardiac glycoside group of antioxidants.
Bolsters immunity. Cures digestive issues. Improves eyesight. Combats skin infections. How do you eat Amborella? How many calories are in Amborella? 48.
100 g of Amberella yields the following: calories, 48. Total carbs, 12 g.
Is Amborella good for diabetics?
The fruit is suggested for diabetics to regulate blood sugar levels.
The phosphorus and calcium content of Amborella is beneficial for maintaining healthy bones and teeth.
The fruit is beneficial for women as its iron content regulates the formation of red blood cells and helps prevent anemia.
How do you make Amborella juice? Peel Amborella and cut into small pieces.
Then put umbrella, sugar, water, salt into a blender and blend well.
Mix lime juice according to your choice. Serve cold.